pájaros cantaban, no va a volver. Entiéndelo una vez, oh my God. ¿Cuándo vas a entender? Tú tienes ese cuerpo que me calma, tú tienes ese fuego que me mata. Yo sé, no está bien. Ya no estás más.
Drink with responsibility and subscribe MicuPlay.
Hello, I'm Miku and today we're going to make a personal drink called Macarol drink cocktail. Okay, she's a singer. Macarol she's a singer from Panama and she's singing in Panama different Latino spicy songs. I will put the songs so you can hear it until I get this what I will do this video. So it's very easy one, but it's very nice. Vamos a darle a ella una grande ayuda para que se remarque en Latinoamérica más y para que sea más conocida ahí en Latinoamérica. So let's make him a little bit help, a hand of song, subscribe and maybe just see the songs what she's singing, so we can help her to be more ¿cómo se dice conocida? To be more recognized and so everybody knows about her. So listen that nice songs. Actually I listened around 4 songs or 4 songs and was nice. Let's make this drink. Okay, today like always on our channel Open Bottles, guys. Here we go, Amsterdam mango vodka. It's an amazing one, and I need to make another presentation for St-Germain. If I think I see like that. German, St-Germain, guys. Look this bottle. I mean, look of this bottle. It is amazing. What is this one? It's liqueur flavors, who is using in different cocktails, and it's very nice one. Let's start this drink. And what we were going to do is, come on, ice in a glass. So, ice in a glass, more, fill it with ice, the glass. Very nice one. What I will do now, like I say always, here we go. Open bottles, guys. Amsterdam vodka mango flavor. You hear it? Here we go. Directly in a glass. 1 ounce of this mango, and maybe a little bit more just for luck. Okay, another 20 or 10 mils. Okay, that is amazing. Here we go. Open bottles, guys, of the St-Germain. This is a guy German. I think I need to accommodate this name. It's the first time I use it. Wow, it smells like flowers, like even the mango. It's like fruits. This is amazing, guys. Of this guy, I will put around 20 milligrams, like this. Okay, I'll leave the bottle here so you can see it of this journey on my drinks. Here we go. Over here. Nice one. Now, what I will do, I will try to stir a little bit with this one. And I will come behind, and I will stir again, and I will come behind with a nice one, nice lime. And I will cut it here, just like this. Half of the lime juice. Here we go. Very nice. Smells even amazing. Okay. That's it. Nice one. Now what I will do, so we can be a little bit of sweetness, I will put just a splash of the corn syrup. Just a little bit, just a splash, just una gota. Okay, so having a little bit of sweetness. Come behind, like always, ginger beer, Stalinskaya. This is nice, guys. Come on, here we come. We fill it on the top, fill it on the top, and fill it all the glass onto the top. We give a little bit of stir, goes like this. We come behind with a lime wheel. Here we come, one lime wheel, and not forget for the flavor and to be a nice, very nice smell, I would use the bad boy fresh mint. This was a bad mint, so I can give the flavor. Here we come behind here, just like this. Here we come, and boom. These guys call it Macarol cocktails or Macarol drinks. It's a personal drink. It's the first time I make the personalization of one drink. I think I made one before to one guy, called it Green Lantern and Beautiful Disaster, but the Beautiful Disaster was a drink made for him, and the Green Lantern I saw making from him. This is now just created. That one was created for somebody else, so here we go. Let's have a little bit of, wow, that is so good. Wow, having a very good taste, exactly like a muscovino, but it's not like this. Using this is two flavors. Ginger beer, looks like, it's fantastic, it's fantastic, guys. Wow, this is fantastic. I will just come behind again to you to reminding of the Macarol. She's expecting you, or to everybody, to listen the songs. Already you are listening that song, who is behind of this video. This is Macarol. In the end of this video, down below I will leave in the description the Macarol ring when you can hear the songs, and some description of her. Also I think the Instagram or something like that. And if you like this video, please subscribe. This is my channel. This is what we are doing, opening bottles and making cocktails. And if you want to make suggestions, you can leave a comment just like now. Now I'll come back to you and take it closer like always and show you the bottles and this amazing cocktail. Come on. Here we go. So this is Macarol cocktail. This is a fantastic sound. This is the bottle I just telling you. St-Germain, Amsterdam vodka, flavor of mango. So here we go, guys. You see it was looking nice and easy. You can see also Macarol immediately on the end of this clip. I will leave stuff to the description, and also I will see you for the next one. Until my next video, like always, stay cool. Bye.
No, ma, no me enteré la última. ¿Qué pasó, weón?
Siempre va a estar en Sambos, la Macarol y eso, mana. ¿Tú sabías? Mana, ¿cómo que tú no sabes quién es esta man? Oye, Macarol.
O sea, tiene plena disque. No, yo.
¡Ella!